Alrighty. So here's the problem. I've been running through a couple of problems. This doesn't seem too complicated. Of course, your solution must run an n log n time. Makes it a little less complicated. I mean, a little more complicated. Um, you could literally. I don't know if it's n log n. You could literally say, "Is this in there?" Um, I guess it's not n log n. It's log n. Interesting. Okay, so yeah. My first idea is to probably just like grab the entire thing, go to the middle of it. Uh, so I like how you have hints. I think that's cool, but yeah. So for me personally, I probably want to. Uh, so I want to do while middle is not equal to target, right? And then I want to declare a middle. Oh my god. Which is going to be equal to length of nums minus 1. Oh my fucking god. Okay. I use a 60% keyboard, and if I don't have the function thing on, then I'm just hitting control. I'm not hitting the arrow keys. So, and the reason I'm dealing with this is because I kind of broke my keyboard. I broke my full size keyboard, and I need to make a new one. But I wanna buy a nice one, which is unfortunate, but it's taking longer than I want. So yeah, we'll do this. Because we're trying to get the index specifically. Yeah, and then you do that shit too if I still have function on. Divide that by 2. While middle is not equal to target, so if target if nums target is less than or equal to yeah, if nums targets, we go nums middle. So if the target is greater than the middle, then we will say that is to the left. So we want to get nums, and we want to actually get a slice of that. From not there. We're going to get the index from 0 to middle. Oh, we're returning the index of them though. So I can't change the initial values. Also got to be careful with that because this will make it into not an integer too. So I didn't do this. While middle is not equal to target if numbers so I want to take a middle, probably divide middle itself by 2. But then you come with that one issue where if it's the other way, what are you going to do? Okay. And we'll be set. Let's do this. And we'll be set to the length of nums minus 1. Minus 1, sure. Okay, so that means I can just change this then to n divided by 2 will get me to my location. And then if this is true, then end equals, well, then I can't get a slice of it, can I? Yeah, because the only way I can do it with the slice is if I if I only get it like lefts. Right? Fuck it, we'll just do it this way. While middle does not equal target if number target is less than nums, and then I do basically the exact same thing here. Else is equivalent, then return middle. That will allow it to exit early if it needs to. Let's say I left this, and then else, it's not equal, it's not that, so you return minus 1. All right. So if it is on the left, we will take the end, we will put it to middle. That means that's the farthest we can go over. Then middle can I just do equals int n divided by 2. Okay, I hate that. Divided by 2. Yes. L if it's to the right, larger than the difference between middle and, okay. Middle will equal the difference between middle okay, I couldn't do this while streaming. I don't know why. I'm like so conscious about actually streaming. Why not working for me? And I'm doing this very slow for an easy problem. I literally saw my last problem in less than like a minute. It wasn't an easy, it was a hard too. This isn't easy. It was taking me a lot longer. To be fair though, I could literally just do a simple for loop and get the answer. But that is operations of it. And not login, so. Ooh, and I'm gonna have to change something else. Not there. I didn't even notice that. So yeah, we'll do start is now set. To middle. Now it can't ever go past start. And this is a pointer tracking where start is. Um, because that will mean it's valid. And if it's still valid, then we update the middle to wherever the end is. Then we take middle and we fix that to n divided by 2 to get a new middle. Is it, wait, is, no, middle will equal so middle is so we get start index, then we get the end index, then we get the mid, which is gonna be at the middle between end and start, which is just end divided by 2 at the start. And then we're gonna go, while middle is not equal to the target, we will go if middle is in a valid range from middle to end, while middle is less than or equal to end, and middle is greater than or equal to start, then it means it is in a valid range. If the target, I don't know why I'm saying nums target, it's just target. If target is less than numbers, less than the number we are currently on, the middle, that means we need to go to the left. So we set the end to where we are at in the middle on our current element. Then we take the end, we divide that by 2, make that an integer. I don't know if this is redundant or not. Oh, I'm still streaming. How did that happen? Wait, am I... How the did I... What? This is a clusterfuck, I'm not gonna lie. Okay, suggested fix. Let's see. What was fixed? Loop condition. The condition a while loop is not equal to target. Time limit exceeded. Wow. Your overall approach is correct. You're using a binary search. However, look closely at how you're updating your middle index. It is recalculating based on your current start and end boundaries every time. Is that really so much more efficient than how I'm doing it? Is less than or equal to end. Then you just calculate the middle. How does that work? because you get the start and the end. So let's say start is 2 and end 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it's 5. 2 and 6 plus 5, that's 7. 7 divided by 2, 3. Oh. Okay. Left plus right divided by 2. I don't get how that necessarily works. 2 and 7 divided, you get 3. If they're right next to each other, say 4 and 5. So if 4 and 5 are right next to each other and they are the total. Just say 9. 9 divided by 2 is what? Like 4 or something? And then you go down there and you check and then, okay, so I get it. Well, oh, that's kind of funny how that works then. Interesting. Alright, well, that was all I was wondering about. I only use 1.1% of my CPU to stream. Holy shit. I'm insane. My PC is not being worked whatsoever. Interesting. Alright, well, that was fun. I shouldn't have spent 45 minutes on this.